20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than the things you did do.
This quote by Mark Twain has been with me since 2 years. It's 2 years. Hello, my name is Parth Fikar. I'm a YouTuber from India and welcome to the Dilettantes.
It happens so often that some of us hold ourselves back from the things which we really want to do. Why? For varying reasons like self-distraction, laziness, time management problems, or just pushing things for next day, and that next day never comes.
This video is about how to make time for reading. Now you are perhaps wondering, why am I talking about this topic? Well, for two reasons. One, for people around me who want to read books but don't know how to make time for reading, and two, for myself, because I even go through the same grind of not being able to read despite trying very hard. Today's video style is different because it is more like a chatty kind of video. I know that I could have made a different style video, high production style video about, 10 tips to read more when you are studying, but I specifically opted for discussion style of video. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing that I want to say, that it's okay to read one book in 1 month which you enjoy and understand, than reading 4 to 5 books in 1 month without understanding and enjoying it. In today's world, we get demotivated when we see a person reading more books than we read, but we really need to understand that their situation is different from ours. Now, many of us are in school and some of us are in college, and it's really difficult to keep this habit of reading because we get burned out by studying 10 to 12 hours in a day. And after studying for 10 to 12 hours in a day, when we go to read for pleasure, it becomes really very tough. I have experienced it during my board examination. But if you are in a similar situation, then I would suggest you all to do not read. Yes, you heard me right. Because in this situation, your eyes get tired and you just don't want to read more. So in books, listen to audiobooks and it will really help. It helped me too. But if you are in a normal situation, and by normal situation I mean that if you are in a situation when you just need to go to school or college or tuition and study for 7 to 8 hours, then allot at least 1 to 2 hours to reading. I call those people liars who say that they do not have time for reading but have time for social media, have time for watching videos, chatting with friends, or just scrolling Instagram. And at last I want to say that read at least 10 pages a day. Reading does not mean reading 100 pages a day. You can read slowly, you can read slowly and enjoy it. Let me give you some tips now. So the tips that I have for you is a summary of this whole discussion. First tip is time management. Manage your time in such a way that you have at least 1 to 2 hours for reading. You can allot this time in morning or afternoon or evening, but do not allot reading time in night, because in night your body gets tired and it demands rest. The second tip is listening to audiobooks. I have said it earlier also that audiobooks will help you in great way. You can listen to audiobooks like you listen to songs. You can listen to audiobooks while doing your daily chores like cleaning, washing, cooking. And the last tip of this video is consistency. Read consistently, because I feel that you need to make reading a habit. I hope this video will help those people who want to read books but don't know how to make time for reading. And I hope after watching this video you will be able to push this ruckus of mine, because I really believe that we are blocked more by our mind than anything else. Having said that, I'm going to end this video. Like, share, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.